Well, we'll try and get a little bit more video for you. So far, everybody I talked to that's here, they love it. They said they ain't never seen nothing different like it. Once in a lifetime. Here's the dam. Water's over the dam. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, we'll get some splashing going on. Take care. Here come some more people. Everybody wants to see. You ready? Watch. Over my boots. 5 inches of water. My feet ain't even wet. That's how dry these boots keep me. Awesome stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, we lost one of the docks at the campground. I'll have to take a picture of that in a little while. Adios, over and out.